Hi, everybody. Welcome to another 10-minute tech tip. I'm your host, Anthony, and we're going to go over today how to schedule an open house on your listing. So really quickly, just be logged into the MLS. From the MLS, just simply come over to the Add Edit tab to bring up your listing under Add Edit. When we do that, we're now going to simply come down below. We're going to go under Quick Modify and find our listing. When we select our listing to add and modify, we're now going to simply come over and click on the choice that says Open House. From here, we're now going to put in the following TAN information. The TAN information are the required fields in order to schedule an open house. So first and foremost, we're going to schedule a date. Simply click on the calendar icon and now select your date, like for this Saturday. At this point, we can now say what time the open house starts and ends. So click in the start box, type in the time, like 10 a.m. And now we're going to put in the end time, maybe 2 p.m. From here, is the property attended by the agent or the seller? Typically, 9 times out of 10, you are the agent that's going to be attending the open house. That way you can obtain your leads, either for that house or for future clients. Here you have the option of indicating if you're offering refreshments at the open house. So just simply type in what it is that you're offering, the cookies and water, as an example. You can also choose if you're offering a drawing or not, just simply a simple yes or no. From here, the most important, or one of the other important aspects, is what open house type you're going to host. Are you hosting a virtual public open house or a virtual broker's open house? Now, these choices here were added in after the pandemic stay-at-home. Before that, we could choose to host a public open house or a broker's. The differences between the two is that a public open house is meant to entertain or have the open house open for members of the public as well as agents to come by the property to view the property. A broker's open house is meant for brokers and agents to come at a designated date and time to come and see the property. Today, with a virtual open house or public, just simply choose one of the two. Now, at this point, under the virtual open house URL, you need to type in or copy and paste in the virtual open house link that has been created by your virtual meeting platform. So if you're using Zoom or GoToMeeting, or you've scheduled an event at your Facebook business page to host a Facebook Live from the property, then simply copy and paste that link into this section for people to register for the open house on those public meeting or virtual meeting platforms. Now we can come down below and click on Submit Listing. And now we have officially scheduled our open house. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to give us a call at 949-586-6800, and someone in our team will be able to help you with this. Have a great day.